Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to speed up or slow down a video clip on TikTok. If you want to speed up or slow down a video clip on TikTok, the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First, open up the TikTok application on your phone and tap on the plus button at the bottom. Now once you end up in this camera screen, go ahead and record a new video by holding the white shutter icon at the bottom, but make sure that you've selected the video mode. Select the time frame from the bottom menu and tap on the little circle button at the bottom in order to start recording the video. You can also upload an existing video from your gallery by tapping on the little gallery icon at the bottom right. Choose a video you'd like to use for the edit. After selecting the video, go ahead and tap on the little edit icon at the top right, this one over here, and then you will end up in this editing screen. Now go ahead and select your video from the timeline and then go to the bottom of the screen and tap on speed. Now here in the menu you will be able to see the speed icon. For slowing down the video, select a slower speed like 0.5, 0.7, 6, etc. But it should be below the one time option. After you do that, you can play the video and you will see that your video has now turned into a slow-mo video. If you want to speed up the video, simply go ahead and drag the white dot all the way towards the right hand corner and you will be able to see that you have successfully speed up your video. Select the speed effect from the bottom menu and your video will start to play. For speeding up, make sure to choose speeds such as 1.5, 1.2, etc. All you need to do is to just get your white dot right next to the 1 times option at this area over here, and you will be able to start with the video speed up process. Now you can preview your clip to make sure the speed looks good by tapping the play button underneath your video clip at the top. If it looks good, you can tap on the cross button and then click on the next arrow button at the top right corner. You can then add a description for your video and post your video or save it on drafts so that you can use it later. That is how you can easily speed up or slow down your TikTok videos to make your content stand out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.